Hello there. After watching this video, you will know how to use the drafting attributes print width and print color components. The components can be found in the Rhino tab's Objects section. Let's get to examples. This is the script that we'll be using. On Rhino canvas, I have drawn 4 objects. We have a rectangle, a circle, a triangle, and a curve. I have then created a new layout that I'm going to use to print them. Once again, I'm using the query model objects component, connecting it to the model object component, creating some drafting attributes with the drafting attributes component, and pushing everything to a content cache. With the drafting attributes component, we can adjust the print line type scale, print color, print width, and the draw order of the objects. Let's see how the print looks. We have our objects here and a thick black line. I want the line type to be dashed, so I'm gonna use a panel and query model line types component to get a dashed line. I now need to push the content. So we see we have a thick dashed line in the print. I want the line to be a little thinner, so I'm gonna change this to 2. Push again and check our preview. Okay, now the line looks how I want it to be, except that I could up the line type scale to 5. I push again. That seems about right. To change the print color, you need to input a color into the print color input. You can also right-click on this input and change the drafting color to be by layer, by parent, by display, or custom. I will connect a color swatch to the print color input, push content, and check the print. Now every object here has turned white, so I will not be seeing anything on the paper. I will change the swatch to black, push, and now everything is set to black. If I want it to be the way it was, I'm gonna have to disconnect the color swatch, and I need to click on the print color and make sure that this is set to be on by layer. Yeah, now it's okay. You can also edit the print color and print width with the print color and print width components. You can right click on their inputs to set the colors or sources. For some, they might bring some clarity to the script, but for me, they just seem like extra steps. So I don't think that I'm going to be using these very much. Let's cover the last input now. With this, we can change the draw order of objects. Query model objects currently gives us the objects in this order. The first one is circle, then we have rectangle, triangle, and curve. It is important to know because the draw order is index based. So it starts from the bottom and goes towards the top. So we are first layering our circle, then we have our rectangle, then we have our triangle, and then we have the curve. Now if I were to reverse this, 3, 2, 1, 0. Also remember that the indices start from 0, and I push the content, the order of these objects reverses. Let's say I now want curve to be at the top. I'm gonna remove the 3 from here and add it at the end and push again. So now my curve is on top of the objects. I can then go ahead and print this. That is all for now. If you learned something, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.